Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for March 6th, 2012. We're dealing with the coldest day of the next 10 days, and really it's not that cold, it's slightly below normal. So let's take a look at the observations. For the most part, we're dealing with temperatures in the lower to mid 20s over the interior. Of course, Messina is the coldest spot at 18. Upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, and again, pretty much near where we're supposed to be for this time of year. We're starting to get warmer, but we're not there yet. For the highs for this afternoon, ranging anywhere from the lower to mid 40s, which again is below normal, but not significantly below normal. Thereafter, it gets a lot warmer with temperatures either near or well above normal heading on through the rest of the next 10 days. So let's take a look at the forecast. First, we're dealing with the infrared satellite picture. This is our high pressure system producing clear skies throughout the entire northern mid-Atlantic. This disturbance right here might produce a few sky cloud cover, a little bit of cloud cover for this evening, but no precipitation whatsoever. Just a weak disturbance that is passing on through. And then we have a stronger cold front that is starting to organize itself that will be a threat more for Thursday evening into Friday with some showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm. But the main story over the next few days is going to be this high pressure system that will shift off the east coast and transport some very warm air into the northern mid-Atlantic. We're talking about temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, and yes, there could even be a few locations that break 70 degrees in portions of central southern New Jersey and maybe even southeastern Pennsylvania. So let's take a look at the model guidance. We're using the Penn State EWAL website with the European model guidance. Here we are for this evening. Again, we're going to have a weak disturbance pass on through. Now look at this pattern for the most part heading into today and this evening. We have a trough in the west, ridge in the east. And that's pretty much going to be our pattern going on through for the next 10 days. And that means overall we're going to be dealing with temperatures moderating nicely and for the most part above normal temperatures. So as we move in for tomorrow, high pressure will be well off the east coast. We're going to be in a nice southwesterly flow at all levels of the atmosphere. And we're going to have plenty of dry air around, which means clear skies can be expected. Temperatures are going to rebound nicely tomorrow into the mid-50s, possibly even some mid-60s over southern New Jersey. And then it really gets warm on Thursday evening, where temperatures ahead of this advancing cold front will rise into the lower to mid 60s for most locations, mid to upper 60s for central and southern New Jersey and the Philadelphia metro. Look for a few lower 70s, I think more towards locations like Camden and Wrightstown. Those locations are going to have the best potential for 70-degree temperatures because of some enhanced downsloping off the Appalachian Mountains. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. But for the most part, we can expect a very pleasant afternoon. Now, this cold front that's moving through is rather interesting because we have the most of the lifting in the upper levels focused over portions of the eastern Great Lakes and moving towards New England. We have the majority of the instability with this cold front located over the southeast. So we're kind of in an area of basically descending air to kind of balance out these two areas of rising motion. So I think while there will be a threat for showers on Thursday evening into Friday morning, I think the potential for severe weather is very small, even with the warm temperatures. And at most, we should see maybe an isolated thunderstorm at that. Otherwise, I don't expect much in the way of this cold front. Once this cold front moves through, high pressure will be in control for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and yes, even Tuesday, with temperatures basically near to slightly above normal, ranging from the mid 40s over the interior to the upper 50s along the coast. Pretty much on par for what you expect with a pattern where you have a trough in the west and ridge in the east. There will be a chance for very warm temperatures to return by the middle and end of next week. And when I say very warm, I'm talking about temperatures close to 70 degrees once again. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Of course, you can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a great day. Stay safe out there.